Find the following integral. The integral of x minus 13 over x plus 2 x minus 3 dx. So let's just write that down. Okay, what we've got here is we've got to, before we can actually integrate this, we've got to split this bit here into partial fractions. So first split it into partial fractions. So we've got x minus 13 times x plus 2 x minus 3. That's now a over, this can be split equivalent to a over x plus 2 plus b over x minus 3. We've got to find a and b. So if we make the left hand side the same as the right hand side, so we put a common denominator of x plus 2 x minus 3, a would have had to be multiplied by x minus 3 and b would have had to be multiplied by x plus 2. And then we can put x equal to x minus 13, the numerators, because we've got the same denominator, will be the same. So x minus 13 will be a times x minus 3 plus b times x plus 2. Now what we do is we try to eliminate one of these variables, but b or a, by first making x equal to minus 2. So minus 2 minus 13 on the left hand side will make minus 15, and then minus 2 minus 3 gives me minus 5a. Here we get nothing, and therefore we get a is equal to 3. And then here next we would make x equal to 3, because that will make that 0. So we get 3 minus 13, which is minus 10, and then 3 plus 2 is 5, so we get 5b is equal to minus 10, b is equal to minus 2. Therefore my fraction x minus 13 over x plus 2 x minus 3 will become 3 over x plus 2 minus 2 over x minus 3. Right, so if we integrate that, it's the same as integrating this. So we can now integrate term by term. This is of a logarithm, so this will be 3 ln of x plus 2 minus 2 ln of x minus 3 when we integrate, plus c. So using some laws of logarithms, r log a of x is equal to log a of x to the r, and log a of x divided by y is log a of x minus log a of y. So we get, this becomes ln of x plus 2 cubed, that 3 will go up here, and because of the minus sign we can do a division, divided by x minus 3 squared plus c. Okay, so what I've shown you here is how we can integrate a fraction with two linear factors and use partial fractions in order to then perform the integration. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.